Welcome back to Salsas and More. Today we want to show you what we've been using to provide fresh herbs for our kitchen, even when the outdoor growing season has ended for our area. We received this awesome growing system earlier in the fall, and we were able to see great initial results with lettuce, basil, cherry tomatoes, and chili peppers. The Click and Grow 9 is a self-growing garden that works like a capsule coffee machine, but for plants. It comes with a sleek, stylish design, a built-in LED grow light, and a water tank that can hold up to 4 liters of water. All you need to do is insert the plant pods of your choice, fill the water tank, and then plug in the device. The rest is taken care of by the smart technology that manages the watering, lighting, and nutrient supply for your plants. The great part about the Click and Grow is that you can choose from over 75 varieties of plant pods from the website, or you can use your own seeds with the experimental pods. The plant pods are biodegradable and contain seeds and nutrients inside, so you don't need to worry about soil, fertilizers, or pesticides. The plants are guaranteed to sprout and grow, and you can start harvesting them in as little as 4 to 5 weeks. The Click and Grow 9 is ideal for anyone who wants to grow their own food at home, whether you have a green thumb or not. It's also a great way to teach your family about nature and science, and to inspire them to eat healthier and more sustainably. You can place the device anywhere in your home as long as it has access to a power outlet. It is energy efficient and space saving, and it adds a touch of greenery and beauty to your living space. With the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9, you can enjoy the benefits of having your own garden without the hassle and the mess. You can grow 100% organic herbs, fruits, salads, or flowers, free from pesticides, and fresher than any plants you'll find in stores. You can also use the free Click and Grow app to get additional plant care tips and track your garden's progress. If you're looking for a simple, smart, and sustainable way to grow your own food at home, you should definitely check out the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9 indoor gardening system. You can order it online from the Click and Grow website and get it delivered directly to your doorstep. You can also browse the different plant pods available and find the ones that suit your taste and preference. The Click and Grow 9 is more than just a gadget, it's a lifestyle. It's a way to connect with nature, to enjoy fresh and healthy food, and to reduce your environmental impact. It's a way to make indoor gardening easy and fun for everyone. Use the link below in the video description to get your Click and Grow 9 today and start growing your own food at home. You won't regret it.